Guys, a Pugler CPU today, and I still have not beaten this guy up. But look how messed up he is. This is broken, this is off, the back is all messed up. And if you guys watch the second part, I want all of you, comment down, hashtag Fidget Friends. Because, he did nothing. They did everything. Especially the gun. Hell yeah, he did major damage. I said he didn't do much, but he actually did. Look at this. Yeah, so let's just... Yeah. You see the floor? You see the floor, man? Oh my god. Oh my god, man. He is not dying. Die. Oh. Well, you guys think that's broken enough? Well, I don't. Jesus, break. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna do the major thing. Do that right there. And then, this is how we do it. Shoot, that's pretty big. Hi, everyone yell hashtag Pug hits hard.
Oh, pero es que por el banco Sebastián, ya deja eso, ya.
No, eso.
No, ya dije eso. Oh, le digo a Sebastián.
Alright guys, we're back. I heard something a bit weird. Let's go. You know what? I think we're done here. We're definitely done here. We cracked this. We messed it up. It is done. So no, Fidget Spinner does not win. It's Hummy win. So this is how it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. Our like goal will be 6, and every single one of you like the video, please.